This video is sponsored by RayLandCapital.com. Looking for simple process, easy to get small business loans? Visit RayLandCapital.com funding to apply today. They are small business-friendly loans partners. Now let's get back to the video.
Welcome everyone to an exciting journey into the world of digital currencies, crypto investing for beginners. If you're new to the realm of cryptocurrencies and eager to explore the potential opportunities and risks, you've landed in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 10 fundamental strategies that can guide beginners in their crypto investment endeavors. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile and ever-changing, so these insights are here to inform and educate, not to provide financial guarantees. Let's dive into the fascinating realm of crypto investing. Strategy 1. Understanding blockchain technology. First and foremost, grasp the foundation of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology. This decentralized and secure ledger system is the backbone of most digital currencies. It operates through a network of nodes, ensuring transparency, immutability, and security in transactions. Understanding how it works provides valuable insights into the crypto landscape, as it forms the basis for the creation and functioning of cryptocurrencies. Now, on to Strategy 2. Strategy 2. Researching cryptocurrencies. Research is your best friend in the crypto world. Dive deep into individual cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum are just the beginning. Thousands of altcoins offer unique features and use cases. Investigate the technology behind a coin. Assess the credentials of its development team. Understand its practical applications, and gauge the level of community support it enjoys. Informed decisions stem from comprehensive research, which can help you identify promising projects in the crypto space. Moving on to our next strategy. Strategy 3. Wallets and security. Learn about crypto wallets and security practices. Wallets are essential tools for storing and managing your digital assets. Hardware wallets such as Ledger Nano S and Trezor offer robust offline storage, protecting your crypto from online threats. Software wallets like Exodus and Trust Wallet provide convenience for daily transactions. Understanding private keys, public addresses, and two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your crypto holdings. Security breaches can result in significant losses, making knowledge in this area crucial for safeguarding your investments. Now let's delve into strategy number 4. Strategy 4. Risk management. Crypto investments come with risks. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to spread risk. Setting stop-loss and take-profit orders can safeguard your investments from drastic market fluctuations. Additionally, consider the concept of position sizing, which involves allocating a percentage of your portfolio to each cryptocurrency based on your risk tolerance. Effective risk management is essential to protect your capital in the volatile crypto market. On to our 5th strategy. Strategy 5. Staying updated. The crypto market evolves rapidly. Stay updated with news, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit, crypto news websites, and official announcements from blockchain projects are valuable sources of information. Being aware of market trends and news helps you make timely and informed decisions. Moreover, join relevant crypto communities and forums to engage in discussions and gain insights from fellow enthusiasts and experts. Now, let's move on to strategy number 6. Strategy 6. Long-term perspective. Crypto investments often reward patience. Avoid impulsive decisions based on short-term price movements. Instead, adopt a long-term perspective. Historical data shows that despite market volatility, the overall trajectory of major cryptocurrencies has been upward. Recognize that crypto markets experience cycles, including bull and bear markets. Holding assets through market cycles can lead to substantial gains, but it requires discipline and a belief in the long-term potential of the technology. And now, on to strategy number 7. Strategy 7. Understanding volatility. Cryptocurrencies are renowned for their volatility. Prices can skyrocket and plummet swiftly. Understand that volatility can present both opportunities and risks. Wise investors analyze market trends, avoiding knee-jerk reactions to short-term fluctuations. One effective strategy is dollar cost averaging, DCA, where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of price fluctuations. DCA can help mitigate the impact of market volatility on your overall investment. Now let's explore strategy number 8. Strategy 8. Regulatory awareness. Regulations significantly impact the crypto market. Stay aware of the legal landscape in your jurisdiction and any international regulations that may affect your investments. Regulations influence market sentiment and can affect the value of cryptocurrencies. For instance, clear regulatory frameworks can enhance investor confidence, while regulatory crackdowns can lead to uncertainty and market turbulence. A clear understanding of the regulatory environment is vital for strategic decision-making and compliance. Moving on to strategy number 9. Strategy 9. Community engagement. Get involved in the crypto community. Forums, social media groups, and online discussions offer valuable insights into the crypto space. Engaging with experienced investors can provide practical tips, different perspectives, and knowledge sharing. Community interaction enhances your knowledge and network, enabling you to stay informed about emerging projects, trends, and potential opportunities. Be an active participant in the crypto ecosystem to benefit from collective wisdom and support. Finally, our last strategy. Strategy 10. Continuous learning. The crypto world is ever evolving. Continuously educate yourself about blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and the broader financial ecosystem. Follow industry thought leaders, read white papers, attend webinars, and consider enrolling in online courses. Investing time in learning equips you with the tools to adapt to market changes and make informed decisions. Remember that your crypto journey is a continuous learning experience, and staying well-informed positions you for success in this dynamic landscape. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to crypto investing for beginners with added details to help you navigate the complexities of the crypto world. Remember, knowledge and patience are your allies in this dynamic landscape. Stay informed, diversify wisely, and invest responsibly. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for joining us today, and best of luck on your crypto investment journey.